Sorry I haven't recorded in a while, y'all. Kind of been at a job all year to where we can't record anything. But going to do some work on wife's car and decided to change the air filter in mine while I was at it. So I figured I'd go ahead and record video for y'all. So I hope this helps someone, and if it does, give it a like, thumbs up, make a comment, subscribe, all that usual junk. But here's how to change an air filter on a 2016 Jeep Cherokee Sport. Thank you. Alright, I'm gonna apologize for the noise. It's a little noisy out here at work. I'm just doing this in my parking lot at work. But your air filter is all the way to the left, right here. The only thing you're gonna have is 5 screws. Have one there, one there, one down in there, and 2 right there. You don't have to unscrew them and take them out all the way. All you're going to do is just loosen them to where the head comes up. It's going to be hard to do one-handed, but there's your air filter. There we go. That's it. The only thing you need is a filter screwdriver. Then we take our new one, just stick our new one in like so. This sits in there nice and comfy. Lower that back down, line everything up, then just tighten our screws back down. And that's it on changing the air filter on a 2016 Jeep Cherokee Sport. I hope this helps someone. Thank you.